Hello there, Fourth Dimension by Trading Time. Sean here. Gold and silver plus the dollar. Highlights of the week. The markets were in conflict because we'd had that euro dollar negative and we'd have a gold positive as well. So it's unlikely that both of them can be correct. Gold did break up on Wednesday and then failed at the third deviation. But then on Friday, both gold and silver posted negative divergence, and silver broke its short-term support. And critical weekly support has risen on silver. Begin with the dollar. We saw it top out against that final resistance at 92.84 on Wednesday, and that is still the final resistance. A daily close above there would restart the uptrend on the dollar. New supports at 92.54.5, 92.27.5, and 91.99.5. And that connects with that first daily support at 92.01. 91.56 is the weekly support. A daily close below 91.50 would place the dollar back in sideways. Daily euro-dollar chart, we see that negative pattern, but it hasn't made new lows for the trend. And when we move to the short-term chart, we now see that we have a support zone at 117.81 to 17.75. So it takes a daily close below there to restart the downtrend on the euro. We have resistance at 18.68 and then 19.28. Comparing gold to the dollar, we see the rise on Friday in the dollar, and that caused quite a big fall in gold. Short-term chart on gold, see the breakout Wednesday, but stopped to the tick at the third deviation. And then we've gone back below the breakout point at 18.18, which is now a resistance point. And we have a lower resistance point, or it's dropped, and is now at 1827.6. Key support is 1798.7. Onto the daily chart, and we see that black square on Friday, which is an MACD RSI. So that's a negative. It means that anyone who is long should be liquidating that position, because now what we have is conflicts, which means that the gold market is in sideways. Returning to the short-term chart, it will take a daily close below 1798.7 to confirm that negative divergence. And when we go to the daily chart, the first downside target is 1761.1. We now need to make a daily close above 1837.6 to remove the negativity and be positive once more, and the upside target begins at 1884. Gold in world currency terms did okay early in the week and a bit of a reversal on Friday. And on the profile, we're still a long way from any major levels. Moving on to silver, we held support early in the week, and then on Wednesday the high was pretty much at the third deviation, and then on Friday we've broken that short-term support. So now the breakdown point is at $26 even, and then we have resistance at 26.47.5 and 26.81. Major changes on the daily chart. Again, we see a MACD RSI on Friday, that black square. But the weekly support has actually moved up, and that's now at 25.48. So a daily close below there confirms that negative pattern and turns the trend down. And the first target, or the only target at the moment, is that major weekly and monthly support at 23.68. On the upside, we need to make a daily close above 27.17 to turn this chart positive. Silver ETF, some resistances have dropped. So now we have 24.47 to 24.52. the weekly support at 23.05. So in conclusion, negative divergence on gold means market is now in sideways and long positions should be liquidated. A daily close below 1798.7 means the market can rotate down to 1761.1. A daily close below 1748 creates another down leg and targets 1678.4. A daily close above 1837.6 is positive and targets 1884. On the dollar, a daily close above 92.84 sets up another leg higher. And it will take a daily close below 91.50 to put the dollar back in sideways. On silver, a daily close below 25.48 confirms the negative divergence and targets the distant level at 23.68. Key resistance is 27.07 to 17, and a daily close above there turns the trend up. Here are your supports and resistances for the week. D for daily, W for weekly, and M for monthly. No change on your projected ranges for the week. So the first resistance on gold is $20, below is 27, and silver remains at 40 cents above and 60 cents below. Okay, that's it for this week. Thanks very much.